So use your oil filter wrench, place it on top of the oil filter housing, just get it loose. Now be careful because this will drip. Here we have the old oil filter and these O-rings that we do need to remove and replace. So let's start with the O-rings. A lot of times people will change the oil filter and not replace these O-rings, which what happens, they become brittle like this one. It's a sign that it hasn't been replaced with the oil filter. Look at that. Here we have the new oil filter. Make sure it's on the channel right there at the end. Let's place this one. We have this one. This last one. Now we're just gonna replace the filter here. We just pull it out. It's the old filter. And then here's the new filter. And notice those two marks right here. You gotta press it until one of them is all the way in. There you go. So that's how you know the filter is seated all the way in. Like you saw those marks, that needs to be inside, and you should be able to have that much room up here. Now we're getting ready to reinstall the oil filter. Just turn it by hand clockwise. So it goes as far down as you can. Now you want to torque it to about 25 Newton meters. We have our torque wrench set to 25 Newton meters. And that's it.